Guys, ever since Google made it mandatory to install Google Phone as the default dialer on Android, many users started complaining about the call recording alert. Google does mention that the alert is there to value users' privacy. However, there are times when recording a call without alerting the recipient is more important than privacy. For example, if the recording of the other person can be used as legal evidence, the alert can eliminate the entire process of the recording. So today, I'll show you how to turn off the call recording announcement in the Google Phone dialer on any Android phone. If you are in the majority of Android users who want to get rid of the alert notification, then you can disable it following these steps. Go to the Play Store and install TTSLEXX app. Then open the app and change the preferred engine and select TTSLEXX. Once you select that option, then go to the dialer icon. Hold the dialer icon and then click on storage usage. Clear storage and clear cache as well. That's all. When you press the record button while on a call, the alert performs before the call is connected. The other person will not hear recording alert in the manner. And the same is truly the case when you pick up the phone when someone is recording the call. Stay tuned for more such tips and tricks. I will come in the another interesting topic. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy and stay tuned.